Experiencing internet connectivity issues with your ALDI Mobile service? Don't worry, you're not alone. ALDI Mobile, as a prepaid wireless service, can sometimes face connectivity problems. The most common causes are incorrect APN settings or DNS errors. First, let's address APN. Your APN acts as the gateway connecting your device to the internet through ALDI's network. Ensure your APN settings are correct. For ALDI Mobile, these settings are generally name ALDI Mobile, APN, wholesale, MMSC, hmmsc.mobile.at.net for AT&T regions, or h-mmsc. For Verizon. MMS proxy, proxy.mobileball.net or 205.233.136, hits port 80 or 880. You can find these settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names on your Android device. On iOS, navigate to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Data Network. Now, regarding DNS errors, these translate website names into IP addresses. Try flushing your DNS cache or switching to public DNS servers like Google 8.88.8 or Cloudflare 1.11.1 in your device's network settings. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet Advanced, Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider hostname and enter dns.google or 11.1.1. On iOS, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap your network name, select Configure DNS, choose Manual, enter 88.8 or 111.1. Correcting these settings often resolves the majority of internet connectivity problems. Sometimes, the problem isn't your device, but a network outage. These are carrier-wide disruptions that can be caused by maintenance, storms, or even cyber attacks. If you've checked your APN and DNS settings and are still experiencing issues, it's time to check for an outage. The best way to do this is to visit the ALDI Mobile website or check their official app for any announcements regarding outages in your area. Unfortunately, if there is an active outage, there isn't much you can do but wait for ALDI to resolve the issue. ALDI has been integrating AI for predictive maintenance, reducing outage durations. As an MVNO, mobile virtual network operator, ALDI relies on the infrastructure of major carriers like Verizon and AT&T. Outages can sometimes disproportionately affect MVNO users. Also, consider temporary issues of rising congestion when using 5G. While 5G adoption has increased speeds, peak hour outages have also risen due to data traffic surges. Knowing how to diagnose and differentiate between settings issues and network-wide outages ensures that you are informed and ready to get the most out of your ALDI mobile connection.